Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create teams in a project in Zoho Projects. Now, first up, go to the top right, click on the setup or the gear icon at the top right or the gear icon. Now let's go ahead over to manage users right here in the left panel. Okay, click on it. And once done, go ahead and go to teams right here. Click on it and just go ahead and click on add a team. Okay. Now go ahead and give it a team name, for example, team red, just for example. The team users, I'm going to go ahead and add all three, as I only have 3 persons right here under this account. Now the team leader, select the team leader, and then associate the project. Okay, go ahead and select the specific project. For example, I have here XYZ. I'm just going to select the project, or if you want to associate them to all of your projects, just basically select all. Okay. And once that's done, give it a team email alias. So whenever there's a notification in this specific project, the email alias right here will receive it. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and enter my personal email right here and click on add. There you go. And once that's done, as you can see here, we have the team lead, associated projects, and the team users. Also, do not forget to verify your email right here. Okay. You'll receive a verification code. Just basically copy it like so and paste that where it's needed and click on verify. There you go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.